attack on journalists in water sports because of the big Rakayan. The Rakayan party was attacked by journalists at the water sports event in Cox's Big Rakayan Pally. The incident took place on Tuesday afternoon. To collect the news next to the Rakayan temple, journalists on the subject being under the law of criminals. BSTV Desk Report.
With the partition.
রেস্ট্রিকশন আছে
আমরা রাখাই আমাদের রাখাই সমাজে একটা উৎসব থেকে আপনাদের আমরা সাংবাদিক